Hey guys, today is Dumbbell Sculpt and it's all about the upper body. If you are advanced, I would like you to do this workout 5 times. If it's your first time doing this kind of training, 3 times you'll do the job. We've got 6 exercises to battle through. We got push-ups, into dumbbell pullover, into dumbbell press, into dumbbell flies, into dumbbell row, into dumbbell rear lateral. If you don't know what any of those are, it's okay. I'll take you through the workout. It's all good. Great thing about this workout is you don't need a lot of stuff. 1 set of heavy dumbbells and a lighter set of dumbbells, or a couple of cans, beans, whatever you got, soup. I'm using coconut milk, and I got a set of 5s there. Either or will do. Ready to start? So these are called benefit fitness sets, which means 10 seconds of full reps, followed by a 10-second hold, followed by a 10-second pulse, followed by 10 seconds of faster reps. Let's get to it. Now, if you are advanced, I would like you to do this workout, this circuit, 5 times. If it's your first time doing this, 3 times will get the job done. Honestly, you'll be sore if you've never done this kind of training before. But again, if you're advanced, you gotta do this 5 times. You can do this on your own, or you can just keep rewinding me to this point right now. I'm gonna grab my clock. We've got push-ups. Starting at 3, starting at 2, 1. We're doing the full rep now. Okay, I got my knees on the ground. I'm joining it. Obviously, if you can do full push-ups off the knees, that's cool. And now we hold at the bottom. Very nice. Very nice. I'm beating your timer rate. In 3 seconds, we're going to pulse. 1 inch up, 1 inch down. 1 inch up, 1 inch down. Slow and controlled is the way to go with these pulses. Okay, let's have some fun. Full reps. Boom, back down. Boom, back down. Boom, back down. Boom, back down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Giving you 20 seconds between exercises. Turning up my timer so you can actually hear the beep. That would help. So we got our heavy weight. I'm going to hold it by the handle. I'm looking on my back. This is called the dumbbell pullover. You want to start at chin level, and we're going down. Here we go. Back up. Back up. Back up. Okay, now you can hold it by the weight itself. I finally feel it a little better if I use the bar. And now we're holding at the bottom. Now as you hold, you're going to feel a tremendous stretch in your lats. You want to be choosing a heavier weight on this one. Can you use 2 weights? Absolutely. Now we're slowly pulsing. Slowly pulsing. Using our lat to move the weight, focusing on the muscle. Okay, full reps. How high am I bringing it? Right to my nose, and back down. Right to my nose, and back down. A few more seconds. Last rep. Boom. Okay. Turn that timer up for your benefit. Grabbing 2 weights on our back. Okay. You can roll up the end of your mat to elevate your elbows a little bit. That's cool with me. We're going to be starting in a few seconds here. We're going to be doing our dumbbell press. 3, 2, 1. Full reps. Here we go. Boom. Boom. That's the perfect tempo right there for regular reps. And we're holding at the bottom. Now as we hold, this is not a break. The elbows are off the ground. You're not resting your elbows on the ground. You are floating the elbows. Here comes that pulse. Rock and roll. Slow, controlled pulse. It's not like this. Slow and controlled is the way to go. Okay, fast ones go. Boom, back down. Boom, back down. Boom, back down. I'm not even straightening out my arms all the way. Keeping the tension on the muscle and off the joints. And it burns. It burns so good. Awesome. Heavier weights off to your side. As far as flies goes, I always recommend you fly about 60% of what you press. Now I'm not following that rule today because I got 5s. Okay, so weights start over the chest, palms facing each other. Starting in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Just like giving someone you love a hug. Stop the hands when they line up with the shoulders. Good. Hands are over the chest, they're not over your neck. And we hold down here. You should feel tension shoulder to shoulder. You shouldn't be struggling, you should be burning, but you shouldn't be straining your shoulders. Slow controlled pulse. Kind of focus on the chest doing the work. Sometimes people ask me, Colin, I want to get defined clavicles. I'm like, well, you should be doing flies then. That's That's an interesting thing to say. I want to find clavicles. I want to see my collarbone. Okay. Very nice. Okay. We are going up. So for this next one, you want to grab something heavier. After all, your back is one of the strongest muscles in your body, so you can handle a decent amount of weight. Hinging at the hips, bowing forward, putting the butt back, having the weights rest near your knees. Pull it back, back down, flat back all the way. Now, as far as what you should be doing with your face, some people like to put their head up. I like to keep my head neutral. By the way, we're on the hold. And now as you hold, don't passively hold the weight here. Squeeze those shoulder blades together as hard as you can. In a few seconds, we're going to pulse using our shoulder blades. Pulse using our shoulder blades, trying to maintain that flat back, not aggressively tucking your chin. And then 3 seconds, full reps. Ooh, that burns. Feels great. I'm at a loss for words, and that is rare. 3 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Back down. There you go. Okay. I'm going to grab my soup cans. I could grab my 5s, but I'm going to grab my soup cans for your benefit. Hey, water bottles as well. In 10 seconds, we'll start. Okay, hinging over at the hips once again, putting the butt back, puffing up the chest, turning the sternum up. In 3 seconds, we'll do our full reps. Here we go. So I'll give you this angle here. Back down. Definitely not an exercise you want to go very heavy on, because then the form gets ugly. Holding at the top, and as you hold, don't let your shoulders come too far north. Relax those shoulders and squeeze the shoulder blades together. Speaking of which, pulse, pulse, pulse. Good. You'll feel the fire back there for sure. Okay, 4 reps. Boom, back up, back up, back up. Great news, we're almost done. 3, 2, 1. That's round 1. How many rounds are you going to do? If you're just starting out, 3 rounds. If you're advanced and you really want to get those gains, 5 rounds. Glad you guys are loving these home workouts very much. Love you guys very much. Hope we can get back to training you in person real soon.